It's going. Hi. We left Nice this morning, got on a train. We thought the train was a little full. And then we got off at Monaco, and this is embarrassing, but we didn't realize that the Monaco Grand Prix is today. Imagine that. So, naturally there's just tons of people here.
Rich people.
Very rich people. And yeah, we're gonna hang out here for a bit, and we might catch a train out a little early if we can, because the race happens on the road, and so we can't really get around to much places.
We're stuck right now in a garden.
Garden.
It's exotic. And we have this nice view.
It's pretty outstanding.
So we're in the land where 1 out of 3 people are millionaires, according to our facts guru Ashley. We have a really nice vista. We're probably going to watch the Grand Prix, or at least listen to the sounds. We're very far away. I was shooting with a zoom lens, you couldn't really see a whole lot. But it's still a super neat spot to be. Looking forward to the downhill climb back to the train station, because I had to pretty much do a 1.3 kilometers farmer's walk. So, oh well. It's gonna be nice. It's a beautiful day here. Every time I step in the sun, I can feel my arms burning, so it's never a bad day when you're burning. Which isn't true, but it sounds right, so. Instead of waiting around all day, we decided to take turns splitting up to enjoy the sights of Monaco. Ben and Courtney decided to venture out first.
Alright, so we're trying to find a car museum. Monaco's a really difficult city to navigate. There's just big walls everywhere, and there's elevators and stuff. We started like this. Like, what's this? Look at this. We started like directly above where we are up there, but like I just don't know where we're going. So yeah, stay tuned. We made it to We made it to the car museum, because when in Monaco, what do you do but go to a car museum? There's all sorts of cars here. It's super cool. Yeah, so we're just having a look around. Stay tuned for some cool B-roll.
Ben and Courtney to get back. If I don't get my ice cream, I'm going to be very irritated. Apparently I have a lot of money left to spend, so I'd like to spend it.
We're looking for a public elevator. Oh, I think we might have found it.
You know what?
Jardin Exotique, that's where we're going. We left the car museum, it was super cool. So now we're headed back to the Jardin with that view. This is the elevator. We're on level -4, apparently.
Not anymore.
Well, now we're going up, but yeah, cruising. Wait. Still on the prowl.
I feel like that was
This is where we want to be. We're on to what appears to be our 4th elevator to get back up here. Public elevator. Update. We're lost. we're at another.
Oh, it says News NBC.
Okay, so we're close.
What's -8?
Parking.
Jordan,
We're gonna go off.
-2. Or 0.
That is okay. Let's go all the way up to 0. This is elevator number 5. Elevator number 4 we just got in and out of because it could only go down. So now
That was awkward.
I think we're all, and there was a lady watching us. I think we're almost there. We're back. Yeah.
Waiting for 3 hours to get my ice cream. I'm very
Are you going to get ice cream?
Okay, honey, it's time to go get creme glacé.
Okay.
Creme glacé.
Right at the back. Oh, you already saw that. Alright, it's our turn to shine now. Ice cream!
I'm taking an elevator down the street.
Good vlogging, honey. Excellent work. Wow, what a vista. Right, honey? Yeah. Exactly what we were looking for. There you can see the colorful train and the beautiful flowered wall. Let's go over and see it, shall we? Come on over, friends. Gonna make sure I don't get hit by any automobiles. And we've made it. Right now we're at the Parc de Princesse Antoinette. According to that little sign right there. And there's also a nice little viewpoint over there that we're probably gonna go back to. So yeah, what a successful walk. We were only missing ice cream and sandwiches. And then it would have just been perfect, so. Oh, Rolls Royce. Oh my gosh. This is a better deal. We might get our ice cream here. €1 for the cone that I wanted. It's not bad. They didn't have the kind of ice cream that they said they had on the shop wall. So we settled for delicious, hopefully delicious sandwiches instead. So it's alright. I mean, I'm still looking for ice cream, but we'll find it. We're gonna go find somewhere shady to eat the sandwiches we've decided. So we're gonna go all the way up again. I really lied to you.
Yeah.
Let me. How do you think it is though?
I just crunched on something that wasn't supposed to be crunchy.
I think it's pretty good.
It does taste
The
pretty
bread
good.
is delicious. Sandwich is done, kind of. I finished mine. I now have some for later too. We're gonna go. We think we're gonna pull the trigger on some Ben and Jerry's, and then that should be it. Then we're just gonna wait to catch the train, I guess. Yeah. One more elevator ride to go, then Ben and Jerry's. It's just a really nice transition clip, honey. Oh, it even beeps and opens, and then you just walk right in. And you're like, you ready, honey? And then you hit the close button. And you hit click start, and then we go. I described the cool.
I wonder if you'll be able to hear the F1 cars from here. Probably. They're very loud. So earlier we saw a boat coming over the horizon from Italy direction, likely. And we were trying to decide whether it was a cruise ship or a yacht, because it was enormous. Well, turns out it's a yacht. That yellow thing in the middle of the screen, that's the biggest yacht I've ever seen in my life. I have so many questions.
Didn't pay off.
Can't play. I'm not even gonna say pass, I'm gonna say can't play. This is a game.
After the group rejoined and finished their game of cards, it was time to board the train to head to Italy. After we got to Italy, we found our Airbnb and checked in. Then, it was time for food.
And we're live.
So we out here. Our navigator's about to try and lead us to some pasta.
I'm not a good navigator.
I know, but we're gonna try. We are 30 seconds into our trip and we are already lost. Oh goodness. So right now we have a conundrum. All those menu items are fish. We got some swordfish, some squid ink, and some warm octopus. If you're really feeling adventurous, a warm octopus and potato salad. Unfortunately, we are not that adventurous. We're bad islanders. We don't like fish. So we're gonna try and find an ultra restaurant. So we're currently 0 for 3. Seafood seems to be the only thing people eat here, but we're gonna keep looking. So not great so far. We're having the culinary experience of a lifetime. Italian hospitality and Italian food coming right up. We have some delicious onion bread and some untouched olive bread because nobody eats olives. Great atmosphere, great food, great friends. That's the motto for this place. Wow. So after an entertaining supper, we stopped for some gelato. I have the after 8 kind. You have Oviedo.
White chocolate.
White chocolate. You also have white chocolate.
That's delicious.
And Courtney decided to get some cookies. Pardon us while we climb our 5 flights of stairs. Oh, goodness. Do we introduce them as guest reviewers? Or? Alright, so welcome to a new series.
We're really excited for this one.
I'm also, yeah. So you commented and suggested that we change things up a little bit. So we're gonna go with these two instead of us. So Ben,
Guest host.
special host. Special.
Yes.
Special host.
Sorry.
So please, ladies, take it away. We're gonna leave.
Have fun.
Have fun. See you later.
Alright, welcome to Italy. This is our first Airbnb in Italy. So we're starting a new series called Pasta.
Because we're in Italy. Okay, our first letter is P. It stands for price.
A is for appearance.
S is for setting. In this case, it's kind of like location, in case that wasn't clear.
T is for things.
Wow, real good girls. Come on.
And A is for awesomeness.
So let's get started.
Okay, price. I think we paid $130 for this, around there maybe, which isn't bad.
Yeah, I think it's pretty good. It's really nice.
Yeah.
It's big. For price, 4 pastas out of 5.
Nice.
I think I might go with 3.5 pastas out of 5.
Okay, the next one is appearance. I think it looks pretty nice. It's pretty modern.
Yeah.
Modern.
From outside, it doesn't look like much.
Yeah, the inside's actually
iffy.
kind of sketchy.
Yeah, but inside it's really nice.
Yeah, it was a good surprise to
Yes,
see actually
it
a
was.
nice apartment. So for this appearance, I would give it 4.2387 pastas out of 5.
I think I'm just gonna go with 4 pastas out of 5. So setting. Kind of a weird setting location thing.
Yeah.
Just a bunch of small alleys we had to walk down. It was
Dark,
sketchy.
small alleys. But we are like central downtown kind of. Like we have access to a lot of things, so that's good too.
Kind of far from the train station though.
That's true. We had to walk quite a ways to get to the train station. What would you give it?
I don't know, maybe like 2.5 pastas, because like if I wasn't with 2 guys that were over 6 feet tall, I probably wouldn't come here myself.
True. I agree to that.
Yeah.
I would also give it the same 2.5 pastas out of 5. T's next. So
Thanks.
that's things. This house or apartment has quite a few things. What it's lacking though is a toaster, which is unfortunate because we bought a loaf of bread and we would like toast, but there's no microwave either.
Oh, I didn't even notice.
Aside from those though, I feel like everything I've needed has been here.
Like we actually used the TV this time.
Yeah, watched some soccer.
Who's playing?
Liverpool and Real Madrid.
Oh,
Yep.
wow. Watch.
So for things, I'd probably give it a 3.8 pastas out of 5.
I think I'd go with 4 pastas out of 5. Awesomeness.
Awesomeness.
Stop laughing.
How do you rank awesomeness? I don't know.
Well, like, it's nice.
Everything is awesome.
I wouldn't walk in and be like, I feel awesome.
No.
But like, it's a pretty great place.
Yeah. Well, like, it has all the stuff and it's really nice, but the location's a bit iffy, so I'd probably go with like 3.5 pastas for awesomeness.
Yeah, I agree with that. 3.5 pastas.
Okay.
So that makes the word pasta. So we're done.
Thanks for watching.
No, you're not done.
Tomorrow can always be better. Hope to see you then.
Bye-bye.
Nice.